Greetings, everyone. This is video number 3 in the series. I'm having a good time with this, so let's get started. This is the final stages of teardown and inspection discovery of the motorcycle. There was a lot of wire brushing and deep cleaning going on in this process. I also mentioned in the video that I was going to powder coat the clutch trap door cover and the cam chest cover. I decided not to do that. There was just too many other things that were more important that needed to be done than that. And I did powder coat a lot more things than that. Also, there was lots of corrosion on this motorcycle. A lot of nuts and bolts were just really bad that had to be replaced. Also, I broke a couple of them trying to just get them off the bike. The swing arm bearings, you'll see in this video that the swing arm was removed. The bearings were seized in the swing arm. They were replaced, obviously. Also, the neck bearings, you could almost feel the neck bearings rolling on the neck stem. It was, they were dry and it was bad. So those bearings were replaced, the races were replaced. I did eventually get the forks off of it. They were rusted up in the triple tree. It took a lot of lubricant to get that out. Painted the lowers. Also, the forks were rebuilt. So there was new seals, races, bushings, all that was replaced in the forks. That was done by my buddies at the local shop here in town. So the triple tree came off, bearings got replaced, blah, blah, blah. So let's watch, enjoy, appreciate you. Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon here. Okay, so I don't know what to say. Here's where we're at. Obviously the front wheel's off. I'm almost done getting to the point where I am cleaning and taking care of rustiness all over this thing. This is going to get cleaned up here too. That was completely rusty back there. I've cleaned it all. That side too. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rocker boxes off and I'm going to have them powder coated. I'm going to take the clutch cover off because I have to, and I'll show you for 1 second. That's going to get powder coated. I got to get into the cam chest and make sure that's okay. Tensioner and all of that. That's going to get powder coated. I'm going to probably address this brake issue here. I'm going to see about maybe, I don't know. I might paint it myself. It's going to need new switches, and here's why. Can't read them. So, going to need new switches. Here is the clutch cable. Wow, can you see that? I had to cut it to get the switch housing off. And I just tried taking the forks off. Can't get the forks off. The hub bearings are really tight. So I'm gonna look at that. It's gonna need plugs. I've already inspected them. They look good though. I mean, it's running good. Not too rich or lean. It's got a nice little color to them. Battery box area. This little area right here is completely nasty. I'm gonna have to take that apart at some point. I'm gonna have to clean all of this up. gonna clean that up. Definitely a work in progress, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So this has just been cleaned. Let me show you the bearings if I can find them. Of course, yeah, I throw them away. They're in the trash can. Okay, so let's see here. This wheel is done. It needs to be trued. Here's my truing stand that I made. I made that, so I'm going to fix that up, true up that wheel. The rear wheel is in the other garage and where I park the cars. That's going to be taken apart, and I'm going to powder coat it like that one. So this is kind of cool, right? I mean, how often you get to see a bike like this, and it's going to be really, really cool when I get done with it. Have a good one, dudes.